vraždu Ukrajince dostaneš 3 mince, za odstranění somráka dostaneš nedle meďáka, za upálení feťáka dostaneš čupku na ptáka, za odstranění homelesse tu nikdo vinu nenese. Každý homeless si ve špíně chlastá krabicáka, pitva na ně potom vetne kyselinu sáka. Já si nechal hakač vytetovat na bicáka, spál bych je všechny, udělal z nich uheráka.
Žebrák dělá slepýho, ale pak počítá drobný, já si mu fakt do těch očí nacíkám kyany, co já. Zrušil bych porodný a podobný kokotiny a nasadil těm smrdům nějakou nemoc do rodiny.
Když jdu po andělu a je tam všude černo, s atomovou bombou bych tam udělal terno. Já vážně nechápu, proč se to tak vrhlo, proč tolik skvoty na tu zemi se vyvrhlo. Kdyby se tak mohlo okamžitě střílet, tak bych si možná udělal do města výlet. Hned v prvním busu střílím posraný homelesse, jejich prdel totiž nikdy nevytřese. Jenom koule z gatí vytřese, když vidí další flašku. Už vyndávám nůž a podřešu další smažku. Já nechci jmenovat, já nechci ukázat, ale tuhle skvotu byste měli zakázat. Čunkovi dám prachy, hlavně ať se jich už zbaví. Jestli odsad vypadnou, tak hned se u mě slaví. Nic neumějí, hlavně si furt stěžujou. Řekl bych, že nám všem tady život stěžujou. Nikdy po mně nechtěj 2 5 na tu zemák, si ho radši koupím sám a vypiju tu rád. Když jdem po ulici a vidíme 2 geje, Robka se mu do ksichtu hned totálně vysměje. Každý vymazlený rusák by chtěl prcat s gejšou, ale potom mrdá tak maximálně na gejšou. Zraný Ukrajinci, vraťte se na Ukrajinu, nebo se naseru a hodím vám do buňky minu.
Každý homeless si ve špíně chlastá krabicáka, pitva na ně potom vetne kyselinu sáka. Já si nechal hakač vytetovat na bicáka, spál bych je všechny, udělal z nich uheráka.
Žebrák dělá slepýho, ale pak počítá drobný, já si mu fakt do těch očí nacíkám kyany, co já. Zrušil bych porodný a podobný kokotiny a nasadil těm smrdům nějakou nemoc do rodiny. Robku s pitvou nejvíc nasírají Ukrajinci, mě zaserou cikoši, co šourujou na Florenci. Jednou tam můj kamoš tam na kurvu natrefil, místo sání pera, ale rychle přišel o mobil, jako byl sice nalitý a v totálním výmazu, ale stejně bych uvalil na ty svině pár zákazů. Jsou nalitý v noci, ve dne, dokonce i ráno, kousky vlité plnou goušu a v teplákách na švachtánu. Ani já, ani pitva, ani hrobka nechcem getu, jestli neodláš tu makat, radši ksip někde v getu. Omeletu z tvýho ksichtu, usmánu tu v cuku letu do voka, cigaretu klidně mě narvej, když se pletu, ale já tu prostě na ulici vidím plno špíny. Svetovaný tlustý piči tu prodávají svý vagíny, benzíny a pochodě, upálej vás hodně, doufám, že vás vyřešej příští povodně.
Každý homeless si ve špíně chlastá krabicáka, pitva na ně potom vetne kyselinu sáka. Já si nechal hakač vytetovat na bicáka, spál bych je všechny, udělal z nich uheráka. Spál bych je všechny, udělal z nich uheráka.
Do píčo, cikáňo.
Evil Junkie Volume 666. Yo. Smál jsem se s mačkama, teď vypadám jak voně. Letos fetuju víc, než fetovali oni loně. Nasedni si baby, jsem princ na bílém koni. Pojedem na můj zámek a tam budem brát drogy. Smál jsem se s mačkama, teď vypadám jak voně. Letos fetuju víc, než fetovali oni loně. Nasedni si baby, jsem princ na bílém koni. Pojedem na můj zámek a tam budeš šňupat. Už ani nevím, kdy jsem naposled vylez z bytu. Home office shit a sáček plnej shitu. Vypadá to zase na kurevsky dlouhou šichtu. Teď nemám hlad, bitch, necpím je tu šlichtu. Mám rozepsaný 4 texty, rozehraný 4 stoly, 4 okna na chatu. V každém se mě prej za kolik, kolem sebe 4 zdi. Nerad chodím mezi lidi, už jsem vzhůru 4 dny a ještě to tak na 2 vidím. Nerozeznám denní dobu, furt stažená roleta. Nevím už ani jestli je únor nebo sobota. Poznám jenom 15. to mi chodí vyplata. Čas na výlet k bankomatu a pak jí doplnit sklad. Wrong way, dal jsem se po špatný stezce. Vyjetej jsem zas nechal bůra v kešce. Nájem se nekoná, majitel má peška. Sorry brácho, okradli mě, budeš muset počkat. Smál jsem se s mačkama, teď vypadám jak voně. Letos fetuju víc, než fetovali oni loně. Nasedni si baby, jsem princ na bílém koni. Pojedem na můj zámek a tam bude brát drogy. Smál jsem se s mačkama, teď vypadám jak voně. Letos fetuju víc, než fetovali oni loně. Nasedni si baby, jsem princ na bílém koni. Pojedem na můj zámek a tam budeš šňupat. Hrozně si v tom libuju, snifuju, snortuju. Ještě jsem nedoletěl a už znova startuju. Fuck you, na to jít chrápat je moc brzy, píčo. Mám toho ještě ranec a jsem busy, píčo. 80. hodina odbyla, jsem se zás vymrdal úplně na debila. Zubcem 4 kila, to je teda síla. Melu hrozný hovna, jsem alien jak míla. Sick shit, moje milá mě posílá na detox. V klidu dám si pauzu, baby, už jenom jedna noc. Ale tak to nebude a ona to dobře ví. Motám jí jak liberec, do pavučiny lží. Roluju kilo, jak zasranej koberec. Ty si poli prdel zmrde, není to tvoje věc. Keci prdy beďary. Kdybyste místo toho radši něco dělali. Jako já, seru na vaše hovory jak my tam. Abych měl na stárech pořád dolary a mohl obírat Maďary o jejich vejplaty. A když to klapne, ten blbej nájem půjdu zaplatit. Smál jsem se s maškama, teď vypadám jak voně. Letos fetuju víc, než fetovali oni loni. Nasedni si baby, jsem princ na bílém koni. Pojedem na můj zámek a tam bude brát drogy.
Hubu, ty svině, do kouta si pičo lehni, chceš moje otrokyně, teď svojí prdel zvedni.
Tak já myslím, že to už stačilo, už jsme si udělali obrázek, dobře, nemusí...
Pořád jenom hejt, to má být, pořád jenom hejt, tak to má kurva být, pořád jenom hejt, to má být, ty doby, co jsem tady, jsem nenáviděnej šmejt, pořád jenom hejt, to má být, pořád jenom hejt, tak to má kurva být, pořád jenom hejt, to má být, ty doby, co jsem tady, jsem nenáviděnej šmejt, Latony už není, už to ve mně zase pění, čím to bude, že vašem voda pořád chutná po semeni, chcete si dva vymrdat, what the fuck, propadá, kutelnice už hoří od lice, smrdí vole, je to tak, polejvat záhony, tu vaši mrtku matony, pryč, že moje hrební tvorba porušuje český zákony, jste ostraný, pustě, produkty totality, moje kruty hity, nutí lidi víc, řeky děti, obojí šety, už jsou zalitý, dávkou se k kvality, no prostě smrdil haliti, a tu cenu vzali ti, jsou to buzeráti, pevně drží svoje pozice, nepřijímaj k sobě novice, co nestějí tradice, povinná felace vždy dostane na slavíka, denně politika ve školy těšickýmu slavíka, morální panika z tvorby toho zmrda řezníka, schvátila republiku, tady moji mrtku polika, pořád jenom hejt, to má být, pořád jenom hejt, tak to má kurva být, pořád jenom hejt, to má být, od té doby, co jsem tady, jsem nenáviděnej šmejt, pořád jenom hejt, to má být, pořád jenom hejt, tak to má kurva být, pořád jenom hejt, to má být, od té doby, co jsem tady, jsem nenáviděnej šmejt, kdybych byl pěkný, tak bych o mě psalo bravo, Johnny Machetovej, nastřídám do všech tu slavo, rovnou celý lavor, budeme muset nosit masku, a všichni konečně zjistí, že produkuje sračku, Janda je zlosin, schulený zloděj z osy, krade tanti a mi nemusí se o ně prosit, smrdy budu kosit, už jim všem kopu hroby, kreču šťupe svoje prdy, je to zamrdaný hobit, tyhle smrdy hubit, všichni jsou kurva slabí, jak to je Marek ztracený, poslouchají jen pápy, proč by politici měli moji tvorbu komentovat, Okamura se z toho začal znova pomočovat, Marvanová, Samková, jsou pruderní svině, už roky neprcali, mají písek ve vagíně, morální panika, lidi vrací slavíka, neměli jste se vysmrdět někdy začít rád do řezníka, pořád jenom hejt, to má být, pořád jenom hejt, tak to má kurva být, pořád jenom hejt, to má být, od té doby, co jsem tady, jsem nenáviděnej šmejt, pořád jenom hejt, to má být, pořád jenom hejt, tak to má kurva být, pořád jenom hejt, to má být, od té doby, co jsem tady, jsem nenáviděnej šmejt, ty do smrdů ostře, vystroj tím pohřeb, to je na vrcholu mojí pyramidy podcet, zmrdy jsem na odstřel, první na seznamu, nedostal jsem svý prachy, ale díky za reklamu, mrdám tu jak panu, mám furt dostatek munice, za 100 let po mne budou pojmenovaný ulice, stejný jak dekadence, kulturní pro zasvěcence, moralistický mrtky z toho posílá inkontinence, pořád jenom hejt, to má být, pořád jenom hejt, tak to má kurva být, pořád jenom hejt, to má být, od té doby, co jsem tady, jsem nenáviděnej šmejt, pořád jenom hejt, to má být, pořád jenom hejt, tak to má kurva být, pořád jenom hejt, to má být, od té doby, co jsem tady, jsem nenáviděnej šmejt. nezavolal fízla. Říkám věci, které se nemají říct, tak zkus mě vypípat. Jsem exemplární případ, jsem politicky nekorektní píča. Píšak, měl bych se hlídat, abys nezavolal fízla. Říkám věci, které se nemají říkat, tak zkus mě vypípat. Jsem exemplární případ, jedu vole zady, vymrdávám gender study. Kluci mají dole hady, holky za skundu a vady. Tak nedávej mi rady, všechno ostatní jsou vady. Ready tak pro psychiatra, ale not for everybody. Jsem rád, že vykopali z kliniky ty díky. Dost bylo problematiky komunistický politiky. Národní to všechno poplivat vlastický práva. Tak vypadit ty smažko, nový prostor si prodávat. Chci si zanadávat na zástupce týhle spolty. A další, co mě sere, tak to jsou povinný kvóty. Sere mě tuze, inkluze, vybuzeranti. Zaměřit se na dementy, zde výhodit premianty. Politická korektnost, skurví nový seriály. Multikulty casting je tu pro všechny mileniály. Mediální disy pojedu, než budu kaput. Pak budu odstraněný jako ze Simpsonových apů. Jsem politicky nekorektní píča, víšek. Měl bych se hlídat, abys nezavolal fízla. Říkám věci, které se nemají říct, tak zkus mě vypípat. Jsem exemplární případ, jsem politicky nekorektní píča, víšek. Měl bych se hlídat, abys nezavolal fízla. Říkám věci, které se nemají říkat, tak zkus mě vypípat. Jsem exemplární případ. Teď přiletí fakace na ilegální migrace. Jako nesere mě migrace, ale ilegálně přisrat se. Zařídím si vízum, když se letím někam koupat. A neskouším se s báglem do cizí země voupat. Proč jsem pouštětnej gramoty ze třetího světa, když se stejně nezačlení, ale vytvoří si geta. Náš sociální systém rozbombí jako raketa. Vrač jak ty dávky dostane moje prateta. Ty, co tu dělaj bordel, dát v okamžitý deportaci. Zbalte si svý saky, paky, odplujte jak deporkace. Terkel máme problém, Merkelová není tvrdá. Ještě redná jak prdele, jí máma zabura mrdá. Kurva, kdy jsou hranice, když sem dojdou i bez moc. Taky bych střel zmrda, který by mi lezl přes plot. Legálně klidně přijďte, z východu či západu. Je tu nedostatek zedníků a uklízeček záchodu. Politicky nekorektní píča, víšek. Měl bych se hlídat, abys nezavolal fízla. Říkám věci, které se nemají říct, tak zkus mě vypípat. Jsem exemplární případ, jsem politicky nekorektní píča, víšek. Měl bych se hlídat, abys nezavolal fízla. Říkám věci, které se nemají říkat, tak zkus mě vypípat. Jsem exemplární případ.
Není vám nic? Nepotřebujete pomoc?
Sirky, máte sirky?
Kuřák! Silnej kuřák! Silnej kuřák! Silnej kuřák! Kouření moje, těžká brochy výda. Humus krku kašle, přes smrti můj děda. Kouření mohlo za to, že jsem byl málem invalida. Dával jsem síku, nedával pozor, napálil to do poleda. Pálím jednu za druhou jako pekelník. Kašel v hubě, pachu, cítím se jak popelník. Kouřím jako kdybych nebyl smrtelník. 80 denně se vykouřím jak kouzelník. Doktorka mi říká nekuřte, oxidy, nikotin na dehet. Když nemám cígo, okusuju
Mnohé z toho, o čem jsme dnes hovořili, bude za pár let patřit minulosti. Kouření ze společnosti pomalu mizí. A je to dobře.
Prdáš s tou kurvou, co vypadá jak fany. Odlejí prdele se, odlejvaj dětský vany. Když má krávy, tak stoupá hladina v laby. Po minulým percu vylezli z kundy kraby. Říkáš jí babi, protože vypadá na 100 roku. 22 plísní rozsedá z roku. Na boku má rozdivou výzvu od harpuny. Když v létě usla v lese, tak jí pokousali kuny. Dělaj se jí duny, jak už když fouká vítr. Po ráno nevstane, aniž by neužila cheater. Když se chce umejt, používá hadr na holej. Smrdí jako straní a na ksichtě má mozolej. Smrny od kolil, který zdobí jí šaty na špagety místo máš? Mám se kurva na hovno, vole! Se mě neptej, ty píčo! Nenávidím mluvení, nenávidím tvý slova, který se mě ptají na ty stejný věci pořád znova. Proč píšeš takový texty a co novýho smatony? A proč ty kurva nesledujou policejní Antony? Ty otázky, ty píčo, tak ty jsou vážně k popukání. Já se bavím s lidma, jenom když mi jde v ošukání. A když nedojde k ošukání, tak rychle zvednu kotvu. Zhrzený fanoušci už na mě vyhlásili fatvu, že jsem prý nerudný, že jsem zničil jejich sny. Já ty píčo někdy nepromluvím celý dny. Mluvím jen do beatu, nebo když chastám margaritu, nebo když se kurva chvástám v rozhovoru o novým hitu. Píčo jsem jak Manitu, náčelník z přeletu. Nad kukačím hnízdem nedostanej ze mě větu. Tak nenuť mě, nemluv, už nech mě bejt v pokoji, nebo nůž vemu, hned jazyk ti odkrojím. Jdi do píči, vole, jdi do píči, kurva. Čemu na tom kurva nerozumíš, jdi do píči. Ve mně fakt mrdne, kurva, vole, dementi, vole, poseru. Já tě nenávidím, ty smrde, nenávidím tě. Nenávidím small talk a zdvořilostní fráze. Debilní lidský tlachy jsou horší než metastáze. Narazil jsem v taxi na ukecanýho krypla. U řeči jsou zbytečný, jak jeho Fiat Multipla. Jak se máte, co děláte, kde jste byl na dovolený? Manželka potratila, možná budem rozvedený. Tohle si chtěl slyšet, tak držu obu tiše. Nedím si, že taxikářům někdy skončí kudla v břiše. Vždycky se popotím, když na mě mluví kokoti. Doufám, že vás mistráči brzo nahradí roboti. Ještě, že v Mekáči už mají dotykovou kasu, protože vážně nenávidím zvuk lidskýho hlasu. Nechci tvůj příběh znát, nechtěj mě srát. Se na stejný zračky ptát, kde se vkrate kolovrat. Nechtěj se v to babrat, nebo to skončí s kratem. A pak budeš litovat, že se spotkal s psychopatem. Kurva, dělej, vole, do píči. Já chci, vole, nastoupit, zaplatit, odejít, kurva, dělej, vole. Drž hubu, vole, ani nezajímají tvý děti, kurva. Ty čuráku vymrdanej, do píči, vole. Říkám to hlasitě, ještě, vole, slovo a píčo, zabiju tě. Říkám to po druhý, já jsem originál a vy jste poddruhy. Říkám to po třetí, nečekej přijetí, facka ti přiletí. Říkám to po čtvrtý, tak si to pamatuj, nebo tě rozstvrdím. Říkám to po pátý, všichni jste lopaty, skončíte v komatu. Říkám to po šestý, odejít po svých se ti nebo poštěstí. Říkám to postý, všichni jste prostý, smrti naprostý. Říkám to postý, všichni jste prostý, smrti naprostý. Ztracenej ve svý hlavě jsem, neustále pod drobnohledem. Každý den, každý další věm způsobuje to, že já si blázen jsem ve svý hlavě sám. Všechno, co já říkám, říkám vám. Každý druhý zmrtce autogram, ale už se nikdo nezeptá, jak se mám. Mám svý fanoušky rád, ale nemůžu být kamarád, pořád hrát. Jdi do píči ten foťák, když to srát, zase se budem rvát. Nikdy nechtěl jsem bejt za hvězdou, skočím z dálničního nadjezdou. Já žiju cizí sen, nejsem ten, chce být veleven a chválen. Když se doma nahoru zapnu TV, můj mozek z toho okamžitě šílí. Žiju ve světě plným idiotů, představuju si, jak je střílí. Rozšířím ebolu, severu, lajky, znamenca lidí umírám vztaky. Nechám vypustit cyklon B na všechny místní diskotéky. Nemám cit, já jsem fanoušek genocid, pocit bez moci, kdy jsem se tu pocit vede jak v noci, jak pitbull v koce. Jak kdybych seděl prdelí na boce. Jeden z mála, co procit, co chce cvit, směřuje ke konci. Jsem jediný člověk na planetě vůbec. Já už nechci žít na téhle planetě. Všichni jste zapte mě, já už nechci žít na téhle planetě. Všichni jste kokoti, radši zapte mě. Všichni mý kámoši berou feť, kouří a chlastej mají v krvi jeď. Když viděj, nemusí šňupat hned, teď já nejsem jiný, ale chtěl bych bejt jiný. Jsem línej to měnit, odjet, odletět, střít záři planet. Mám z kokainu kníra, do hrdla už mi misí šanet. Píči nebýt, jsem jak Hamlet, nejradši bych odsaď hned bral kamle. Píči nepýtal, jak přežít svět, buď bej dementa, nebo se hned teď svět. Další level je svět, je hell, jo tam se chystám, jo to budu rebel. Buď opustím lidský plevel, nebo sejdu do horoucích pekel. Hell, kámo, jak se to chováš? A proč děláš to, co děláš? A proč zpíváš o tom, jak šukáš? Holku ve sklepě, ty vole, ty se na hlavě guláš máš? Ano, jsem zmrt, lidi na mě civí. Ukažte mi, jak moc jste jiný. Násilí ve hrách, násilí v TV, tak proč se tě to moc nelíbí? Máš strach od dětí, tak se hlídej, píčo. Dobře, výchový, nebuď línej, píčo. Ty děláš hodnoty, tak nebuď píča. Nebo z těch sráčů vyroste, víš co? Obyčejní lidi trhám jak lev. Touhle hudbou dělím zrno v oplech. Popouštím planetu, startuju tu polet a letím střemla vzhůru. Popouštím se, chci žít na téhle planetě. Všichni jste kokoti, radši zapte mě. Já už nechci žít na téhle planetě. Všichni jste kokoti, radši zapte mě. Já už nechci žít na téhle planetě. Všichni jste kokoti, radši zapte mě. Já už nechci žít na téhle planetě. Všichni jste kokoti, radši zapte mě. Já už nechci žít na téhle planetě. Všichni jste kokoti, radši zapte mě. Já už nechci žít na téhle planetě. Všichni jste kokoti, radši zapte mě. Já už nechci žít na téhle planetě. Všichni jste kokoti, radši zapte mě. Já už nechci žít na téhle planetě. Všichni jste kokoti, radši zapte mě. Skurvený zmrdi! Píču svoje! Česká scéna, česká kultura, současný popstars, chcejpěte! Nenávidím český filmy, muziku a showbiz, budu vás kácet jak kilmy, už mám muziku soupis. Zapít zmrdy z hitparády, krávy za průci, kouři kády, chtělej bejt Lady Gaga, na dětky špulej vagy. Si doubej peška, bronky leška, semenem se mu leskne pleška, chceš mít v Americe, ale na on z tebe smrdí Češka. To je praxe dneška, skopírovat cizí track, děl to i komunista, udělal z toho vlastní majetek. A co Adam Míšík, ubral bych mu kyslík, ten zvrt nemá žádný koule, je mu tam prázdnej pitlík. Zrzavej buzík, co jenom krade cizí music, zkus napsat vlastní hit a pak frajeřit na sersi. Šrouby do hlavy, navrtám ti šrouby do hlavy, děláš ostudu, fotrovi, čeká tě operace po hlaví. Ustisnul se mu ksicht a struhadlem ho zohavil, mezi nohy mu ho přišel, teď má za skundu, jak když se narodil. Nenávidím všechny a všechno, řezníky zpátky, nastupuje temno. Nenávidím všechno a všechny, řezníky zpátky, tak ty zmrde zdechni. Nenávidím všechny a všechno, řezníky zpátky, nastupuje temno. Nenávidím všechno a všechny, řezníky zpátky, tak ty zmrde zdechni. Doufám, že bude stačit 1000 voltů, aby to zapilo revoltu, když to ten zmrd rozdejchá, dorazím od ranou skoutu. Stal se součástí kultu, verbuješ si fanoušky do církve, když máš nízký IQ, můžeš s nimi cvičit na víkend. A prdy mám ideologie stojí za prd, revolta je motherfucker, dostane Tatranku za krk. Pošli prachy sechtě, podpoříš Marka Kaletu, vyser se na rap, začni se věnovat baletu. Pařící termosky, tákám celebritám do ksichtu, všichni jedou na fitu, nemají ani kapku talentu. Vitamin štupe, hůlka, špilený kokain, druhá půlka, před natáčením patičky zmizí perníků a půlka. Hrajete si na Hollywood, ale smrdíte jak Hollywood. Já jsem Edwood, natáčíme krečo mrdá halinu. Zlatou malinu udělit všem filmům v Čechách, ať má pravice praso mrco se uplatit nechá. Nenávidím všechny a všechno, řezníky zpátky, nastupuje temno. Nenávidím všechno a všechny, řezníky zpátky, tak ty zmrde zdechni. Nenávidím všechny a všechno, řezníky zpátky, nastupuje temno. Nenávidím všechno a všechny, zpátky, tak ty smrde zdechni. Proč nosi masku? Otázka věru píčovská. Protože pod ní vypadám jak Zuzana Píčovská. Různý lidi to mají těžší. Některý jdou na plastiku, některý se věší. Jsem šeredej smrt od té doby, co jsem tady. Lidi se mnou nechtěj mluvit, pokud jsem otočenej zády. A plány mém životě byly jen zastrčit ptáka. Povedlo se to ve 20 a hned jsem cáchal. Musel jsem do ní nalejt asi 4 flašky rumu. Ale když se šeredej smrt, tak to patří k tvýmu umu. Nevycházím z domu, malí děti se mě štítí. Když jsem šel kolem zoologický, tak jsem skončil v sítě. Když jsem byl školák, tak jsem býval samej bolák. A doufal, že to zachrání gela černej rolák. Když jsem šel na dízu, tak tam holky na mě flusly. Honil jsem si doma péro, ostatní děti šly bruslit. Skurvený džuzny, jednou budete koukat, že budete prosit, až do vás budu soukat. A teď se tu fakt děje, muzice patří dík. Teď si díky ní zamrdali Tony Bubeník. Tohle hymna tě zaručí mrt. Pojďte všichni šoukat a hromadě hnoje. Jsem šerednej zmrt. Šerednej zmrt. Naše křiky vyvolávají nepokoje. Tohle hymna tě zaručí mrt. Pojďte všichni šoukat a hromadě hnoje. Já jsem šerednej zmrt. Šerednej zmrt. Naše křiky vyvolávají.
Martine, nejsi vtipnej, jsi tlustej.
Kdybych tak chtěl kundu a k tomu pěkný ksicht, nemusel bych se v životě vůbec snažit. Shit, takhle je to aspoň výzva. Jsem samá jízva, vyřádil se na mě Jesus. Hezký nitro, to je mýtus. Žádná holka ti pro dobrý srdce nevyblafne fíkus. Ošklivost je mínus, lidi myslí, že si píčus, ale s trochou píle je to, podívej na Sirínu a Venus. Byl jsem šeredej zmrt, odmala fotr se u porodu poblil. Máma tam mě stopala, ve 12 děti zažívali první líbačky. A doma na svým morčeti testoval nový štípačky. Jel jsem o píchání, nebo pouštěl pokoj. Vytvořil si vlastní svět, prožil jsem osobní rozvoj. Když jsem nebyl lumen, neměl jsem úspěch už jen od té doby, co dobývám světy. Mě ty svině chtěli vojet hned. Sadil jsem si masku a začal dělat horor rap. Ku prospěchu věci jsem využil svůj handicap. A teďka i když vím, že je máma na mě hrdá, tak pořád vidím v zrcadle šerednýho smrda. Tohle hymna tě zaručí mrt. Pojďte všichni šoukat a hromadě hnoje. Jsem šerednej zmrt. Šerednej zmrt. Naše křiky vyvolávají nepokoje. Tohle hymna tě zaručí mrt. Pojďte všichni šoukat a hromadě hnoje. Já jsem šerednej zmrt. Šerednej zmrt. Naše křiky vyvolávají. Už si tu honí, zvoník formatky boží. Lidi, co jsou hnusný, se díky muzice množí. Jestli máš držku mroží, anebo se podobáš hovadu, smlikni svoje šaty, naskoč na souložící hromadu. Tohle hymna tě zaručí mrt. Pojďte všichni šoukat a hromadě hnoje. Jsem šerednej zmrt. Šerednej zmrt. Naše křiky vyvolávají nepokoje. Tohle hymna tě zaručí mrt. Pojďte všichni šoukat a hromadě hnoje. Já jsem šerednej zmrt. Šerednej zmrt. Naše křiky vyvolávají.
Hash brown, enjoy, dude. Hound Bakery is better? I don't even know what that is. Yeah, I mean, like, really at the end of the day, you should just cook it yourself. Like, you know what I'm going to do today? Cook something. And I don't even know what I'm going to make yet. But I am hungry. I am hungry today. So like, maybe I'll make some. I don't know what I want. Eat now? No. The stream is going for 3 more hours. The American equivalent to Greg's is Wawa? What the hell is a Wawa?
Dude, we're gonna get banned. 3, 2, 1. Watch this. Jason, why did you lie?
Just buy Greg's, the place one of them. Just buy it. Like, get a Greg's
Dude,
franchise
hold
in the
on.
United States. What's a Wawa?
Okay. I just got a notification from someone that someone brand my
Oh, did
shit.
you fix it, Jake?
Super chat.
It's the Wawa.
We gotta, bro.
Oh, it's gas station food? Bro, no, that's not this.
Jason, why did you
What the shit?
lie?
That's a gas station.
Jason, why did you
Gas
lie?
station food is not like Greg.
He
That's
banned me.
upsetting.
He
That
banned
is-
me.
That is outrageous.
And I'm banned. GG. Yep, I'm banned.
Second best gas station after Buc-ee's?
GG.
Buc-ee's is the best gas station.
That's crazy. So, I don't know if I got banned, but I can't send the
Made
dono.
bacon, egg, and cheese on an everything bacon.
Why did he lie about that though? Like,
You had an In-N-Out
That's
Burger before?
crazy,
Yeah, I used to
bro.
live in California. Yeah. We basically like
is he
breed
genuinely like
In-N-Out Burger.
lying
And
about
it's-
that? Or like,
I'm gonna
what's
tell
up?
you this right now. That shit is mid.
Jay,
In-N-Out Burger is mid.
why
Even with the
did
secret menu.
you?
That's it. Shit is mid, dude.
Why?
It is.
Well,
It always
my
has
video.
been. Yeah, it's not 10 out of 10, man. The moment you get outside of California, you realize that shit's mid. But not only that, you can stay
Yeah,
in California.
I've been banned.
Go to Farmer Boys
GG.
in California.
Oh my god. Alright
Go to
guys, I
Farmer
just
Boys,
wanted
get
to
yourself a damn good burger.
talk about that. But alright, back to AFK, cause it was like yeah. Just like when I tried to like send him a dono for chat, right? It does. But I can't send a message. I've been banned from his stream. He got so mad, bro. Nah, bro. I AFK chat again, but this is crazy. Damn, it's crazy.
Pořádně si tyto 3 zcela hudebně hluché mladíky prohlédněte. Toho, co pouštějí do světa, se totiž někdo jiný může chytit a uskutečnit. Tahle hudba není vražedná jen svým zpracováním, ale především svými slovy.
Tohle pro všechny dutý hlavy! Nevěřte mass médiím! Ale nevěřte ani konspiračním píčovinám! Ty idiote, vole! Ježíš každý mrce, co si přečteš na webu, vole! Od kreténů! Jste otroci konspirací, paranoje z machinací. Jste otroci konspirací, honící se za senzací. Kdo uvěří každý píčovině? Já ne! Kdo je rozumově na mizině? Já ne! Kdo má NVO na mikině? Já ne! Musíte uvěřit, ne! Ano, pane! Já nevěřím, že svět stvořil vousatý děs. Stejně tak nevěřím článku, který na mě chrlí internet. Je mi 30 let, žiju tady nějakou dobu. S autorama konspirací vážně nenacházím schodu. Chci dojít do důchodu, zachovat si čistou hlavu. Fakt nevěřím, že chemtrails mi způsobí otravu. Čáry za letadlem, věříš tomu, tak si debil. Jenom retard může věřit tomu, že holokaust nebyl. A nikdy jsem nevěřil na ilumináty. Že je píčovina běžnost zóna primáty. Nepřiletí komety, co ti změní vědomí. Hrb je úplná blbost, někdo tu počasí nemění. Jsou to větrný mlýny, a ty by si měl chápat, že svět není magický, místo plný záhad. Nepozoruju nás mimozemský civilizace. Falešný přiznání na měsíci je jen spekulace. Já jsem apatický k tyhle situaci. Samozvaný odborníci radši dají najděte si práci. Jenom idioti žerou konspirační weby. Je tu jako žrát hovnem namazaný chleby. Jste otroci konspirací, paranoja, machinací. Jste otroci konspirací, honící se za senzací. Kdo uvěří každý píčovině? Já ne. Kdo je rozumově na mizině? Já ne. Kdo má NVO na mikině? Já ne. Musíte uvěřit, ne? Ano, pane. Řekni ano, pane, obal si hlavu a lobale. A ti nepřečtou myšlenky sonickým samopalem. Sledujou tě telefonem, pozorují stíny. Máš nemocný syny, držel si je od vakcíny. Nevěřím na bezedný pekelný jámy. Nový světový řád ani na reptiliány. Neovládají mě židi, ani krabí lidi. Jsem svobodný smrt, vole, střízlivě to vědím. Lidský strach, to je ten největší vrah. Nejvíce bojí ten, kdo nikdy nepřekročí práh. Proběhla evoluce, ty jsi pořád v opice. Země není dutá je tak tvoje palice. Ani není placatá jako si tvojí dcery. Tvoje žena je macatá, jsou to lochnesky příšery. Žereš konzervanty, Ečka vnímáš odporem. Pak si sedíš koksem, který je nařezanej fosforem. Jste otroci konspirací, paranoja, machinací. Jste otroci konspirací, honící se za senzací. Kdo uvěří každý píčovině? Já ne. Kdo je rozumově na mizině? Já ne. Kdo má NVO na mikině? Já ne. Musíte uvěřit, ne? Ano, pane. Nevěř nikomu, ty idiote. Nevěř ani mě. Věř sobě a tomu, co vidíš, ty píčo.
Starostko, vy jste tam vařila omáčku?
Porodila jsem hnědého chlapečka.
No ano.
Na hajzlu sedím, tvořím 50 odstínu hnědi, i sousedi to vědí, aniž bych jim říkal. Slyši, jak naříkám, Devon mix, piva, mlíka. Seru do rytmu beatu, telefon mýtu. Tak to vyfotím a tweet, tohle to je boží téma. Slyš kázání božího bohéma, přímo z Betléma. Když jsem byl mladý, rodil jsem hnědý chlapečky, poslední 10 let už vařím jenom pomáčky. 50 dní, 50 odstínů hnědi. Když mi bylo 20, trufnul jsem průjem dědy. Chtěl bych mít hovínko, co vypadá jak špekáček, ale nevím jak, stále umím jenom koláček. Často mě to chytne v autě, vozím hnědej majáček. Na první křižovatce stejně ze mě letí brouseček. Do všech aut, do sedaček, do značek, do českého éteru, do popových zpěvaček, do dětských dupaček, do pusté kůřaček, ksichtů pubertěček, taky na pár laviček. Seru kudy chodím, seru když mě slyšíš, problém je, že ty mý hovna neutíšíš. A ty hovna jsou horší, jak se ví, co vézdí, na feedu pan Henky, alias Hvězdí. Na hajzlu sedím, tvořím 50 odstínů hnědi, i sousedi to vědí, aniž bych jim říkal. Slyši, jak naříkám, Devon mix, piva, mlíka. Seru do rytmu beatu, telefon mýtu. Tak to vyfotím a tweet, tohle to je boží téma. Slyš kázání božího bohéma, přímo z Betléma. Včera se mi zase ve střevech něco hnulo. To když jsme dělali 60 výkupy až 40 nulo. Sedu do divčích tváří, vždycky když se páří. Nástou jsem hovno po tripáky Magdaleně máří. Pro jedny jsem řezník a pro druhý jsem pač. Kulky v šoupárku mi zas přezdívaj hovno tlač. Sváčím na lačno, lečo do sebe tlačím. Pak ti hlavu máčím do kaše na kakáče. Jsem to profil, tak najeď si můj profil. Mám na Facebooku hovno velký jako ruchu. Rozbaluju plínu a vylízávám hlínu. Po polikání prdu vždycky prosím konkubínu. Říkej mi Scatman Joe, protože miluju skat. Sežeru McCrab, udělám ti nad hlavou dřep. Je to tmavohnědý svět, teď já mám ve střevech tlaky. Proto je má nejvíc oblíbená barva kaky. Sáci koule hněte, včera zase je hněd. Za pomocí je hněd, to ten smrtický je hned. Prdeli je hněd, ty taky uvětej na kaják. Víš to podpisu ti udělá razítku na plagát. Na hajzlu sedím, tvořím 50 odstínů hnědi, i sousedi to vědí, aniž bych jim říkal. Slyši, jak naříkám, Devon mix, piva, mlíka. Seru do rytmu beatu, telefon mýtu. Tak to vyfotím a tweet, tohle to je boží téma. Slyš kázání božího bohéma, přímo z Betléma. Než budeš mít zase plný psycho, tak přijď. To nemůžu přestat, šut za tvojí řeč. Než budeš mít zase chuť srát, tak zavolej. Seru tu jít hovno a naplácám ti s tím na holej. Než budeš mít zase plný psycho, tak přijď. Nemůžu přestat, šut za tvojí řeč. Až budeš mít zase chuť srát, tak zavolej. 7-2 lita, hodíme je na volej.
Oni mě nenáviděj.
No a proč to tak asi je?
Protože jsem ďáblův syn.
Začal si dobře a dál?
Protože je pálím a zabijím.
Říkej mi Hades, a.k.a. President Evil. Můj rap smrdí smrtí, jako kdyby ho psal Steven. Jsem king všech zombies na zemi. Nosej mi fresh meat, tak klaněj se mi až k zemi. Nemám na hlavě dready, mám v ní zasraný hřeby. Jak Pinhead, čas trpět, mý démoni jsou ready. Rozmrdat ti ksichtě, když ho vláčeli po škváře. Teď mrkni do zrcadla, jak se tváří muž bez tváře. Stojím u oltáře, chystá se porod Antikrista. Musím ho zabít, nikdo mi nebude brát mý místo. Udupu dítě jak řezník s desádem a zůstanu tím pádem králem i nadále. Kdo vládne under světu? Hades pes 666. Kdo je vyhrabanej z fetu? Hades pes 666. Komu je to všechno jedno? Hades pes 666. Vymrdá ti prdel běhno. Hades pes 666. Gimme Hades, a.k.a. král schizofrenie. Hraju sám se sebou hru, kdo z nás to přežije. Jestli ve mně vyhraje zlo nebo dobro, z kterýho se kus odplazí s každou další kobrou. No tak dobrou, rest in peace. Zkusíme to spolu znovu za měsíc. Drž hubo, nedělej z nás zombie. Oh shit, už se to ve mně zase bombí. Když se dva perou, většinou se třetí směje. Ale když jsou všichni v jednom těle, moc to nefunguje. Schýzuje zase, čumte na toho magora. Zavřete ho do klece, hlavně ať je tam závora. Vidíš mě vrávorat s davem lidí s ganem. Přísahám, že je podělám, jestli mi neřeknou, kdo jsem. Vím, že to víte, tak mluvte vy skurvenci. Nebo vás sejmu víc, než Breivik předloni v červenci. Oběšenci lemujou můj barák kolem dokola. Jako první z nich tam vysel destro jaké rukola. Mrdám to tam all, nikdy se nebojím blafovat. Když nemáš co ztratit, nikdy nemůžeš zkrachovat. Zachovat tvář, kterou si mám kurva vybrat. Když se v tom nevyznám já, kdo se v tom má kurva vyznat? Já nejsem já, je čas si to přiznat. Vyrovnat se s tím nebo skočit do Lipna. Kdo vládne under světu? Hades pes 666. Kdo je vyhrabanej z fetu? Hades pes 666. Komu je to všechno jedno? Hades pes 666. Vymrdá ti prdel běhno. Hades pes 666.
Poloviční blázen bych napsal.
Doktor říká, že je momentálně zavostalý.
To by šlo. Jano, napiš to.
Řezník, labět, penetrace, Opět jsem se přiblížil tajně k hřbitovu, vykopávám těla, minul jsem našel jenom hlavu, doma mám skalpely a na broušení díky penetruju mršiny, takové jsou moje zvyky, jsem umělec, vyřezávám obrace do masa, je to krása za mým vztou, mě teďka čeká basa, odřezávám palce a spojím je do řítě, potom je zašívám, používám se místo nikde nemakám, ke štěstí nepotřebuju prachy, stačí když můžu mrtvolám vytrávat šlachy. Mám taky doma jednu naloženou prdel, lubrikační děl, aby se tam můj dych vůbec vešel, nešel ven, musel jsem použít fén, rozmrazovat řiď byl vždycky můj sen, jsem kreten, probodávám jádra, když v útrobách ti šátrám, pod mránku s trepem vyreju ti pentagram, jsem sám, a proto devastuju mrtvoly, když už mě nebaví je mučit, pohodím je na poli, včera jsem si myslel, že už posedlost je pryč, ale dneska mě zas přepadl penetrační chtíč. Opět jsem propadl penetračnímu chtíči, vykopal jsem houku, pak jsem do ní bušil tyči. Opět jsem propadl penetračnímu chtíči, rozhavým nožem jsem si ji pak hrabal v píči. Opět jsem propadl penetračnímu chtíči, kávovou lžičkou jsem jí vymlouvával oči. Opět jsem propadl penetračnímu chtíči, její mrtvý tělo jsem naložil do vlastní oči. I love to dick, dead bodies, always got to dick, dead bodies. I love to dick, dead bodies, always got to dick, dead bodies. Lížu vlastní kundy, odřezávám kluťáky a z pusy jedou bundy, na jindy budou dobrý, kyselý, rudý nebo modrý, pohled veselý a otevřené břicho, inhaluju mrtvolý parchám, vychutnávám ticho, tuhle jsem se nudil řuckou do tříky. Pak jsem na ní močil nasrali do očních důlků, jindy zase vzal jsem dítě. Kurvou vyvrhnul jsem ho
He banned me. He banned me. And I'm banned. GG. Yep, I'm banned.
Second best gas station.
That's crazy. So, I don't know if I got banned, but I can't send the donate. Why did he lie about that? Like,
You ended up
crazy.
Basically,
He didn't like lie about that. Or
I'm
what?
gonna tell you this right now. That shit is mid.
Okay.
In-N-Out Burger is mid.
Why
Even with the
did
secret
you?
menus. That's it. Shit is mid, dude.
Why?
It is. Food is not like that.
He banned me.
Ale já, tohle je Asylum, fucking skizo na beatu, fucking skizo on the beat. Ale je, desátor nothing, desát nebo nic. Desátobávaný freak z Azylumu 32 se právě hlásí o slovo, mikrofonček je na 2. Jestli máte pro mě prášek, hell je, dám si 2. My se pak už podělíme v jednom těle oba dva. A to já a tedy 10. Jeden tě bude bezhlavě milovat, druhej bez duše prcat. Bude to hodva zrdol ti bude řezat jeden z nás. Druhej ti na něj dá obvaz, mi není 22. Prasák 10. prdá, neznamená, že až budeš dělat bordel, tě vyhubuju do zmrda. Bordel chci dělat furt, tak nebuď sama mrda. Tohle to je fucking dope, to je skurvená mrda. 10 nebo nic, máš čas do oběda. Se rozhodnout správně, s kým to půjdeš rozmrdat. Ať už přáteláka nebo Evropská liga. Rozhodni se kouřit péra nebo bejt grave digga. 10 nebo nic, nejsem příjemnej, byl jsem pekle, ty smrde. Proto nejsem jemnej, přijďte plný vzory, klidně dál jemně. Já řekni svým klukům, ať ti to dělají jemně. 10 nebo nic, nejsem příjemnej, byl jsem pekle, ty smrde. Proto nejsem jemnej, přijďte plný vzory, klidně dál jemně. Já řekni svým boys, ať ti to dělají jemně. Hraju tu hru jménem život furt, dost šíleně, už ne tolik rozčíleně, musela dojít ke změně. Zkrátka opustil jsem svině, co mě sály až do dřeně, proto necítím se vysíleně, ale stojím zpříjmeně.
He banned me. He banned me. And I'm banned. GG. Yep, I'm banned.
Bavím se o mý ceně, protože kašu na všechny borce a dělám to, co miluju. Denně zrychleně se pakuj, moc se nerozpakuj, veřejně mě fakuj, v soukromí můj dick vsakuj. Zrychleně se pakuj, zmizně odleď jako Boeing, tvůj život i tvý dny jsou neskutečně boring. To miluju zvířata, nenávidím lidi o to víc, že jsou stupidní a podlí. Nechci tady žít, nechal jsem se zavřít zase s ředitelem Bohnic. Pohni, jsem v jednom ohně, 10 nebo nic, 10 nebo nic. Nejsem příjemnej, byl jsem pekle, ty smrde. Proto nejsem jemnej, přijďte plný vzory, klidně dál jemně. Já řekni svým klukům, ať ti to dělají jemně. 10 nebo nic, nejsem příjemnej, byl jsem pekle, ty smrde. Proto nejsem jemnej, přijďte plný vzory, klidně dál jemně. Já řekni svým boys, ať ti to dělají jemně. 10 nebo nic, nejsem příjemnej, byl jsem pekle, ty smrde. Proto nejsem jemnej, přijďte plný vzory, klidně dál jemně. Já řekni svým klukům, ať ti to dělají jemně. 10 nebo nic, nejsem příjemnej, byl jsem pekle, ty smrde. Proto nejsem jemnej, přijďte plný vzory, klidně dál jemně. Já řekni svým boys, ať ti to dělají jemně.
Když jdu večer ven, cítím se jak Bůh zrovna. Cestu domů, tak to jsem jenom kus hovna. Chlastama šťupu, nemůžu si život urovnat. Každou další kalbou se vzdaluju od duchovna. Na koncertech si neodolává lehce. Vím, že muzikanty lidi nemají za světce. Stojím na prknech, který znamenají světce. Potom sedím v depce a žít dál se mi nechce. Další víkend a zase to chutná trpce. Zase vysvětluju stejný stračky nějaký mrtce. Nasadím si masku a proměním se v herce. A vymrdám tu show přímo do kosočtverce. Potom mrdám host, co mi lezou do poklopce. To příčiny jsou, proč to se mnou jede z kopce. Pak si sundám masku, přichází sebereflexe. fikce. Říkám si ty zmrde, hlavně z toho neposer se. Když si dám link, tak si pak chci dát i panáka. Když si dám panáka, mám potom chuť na lajnu. Když si dám lajnu, mám neposednýho čuráka. Pak po tajnu vošukám kurvu pod dajnou. Mí nebe se mě táhnou za ty roky dolů. Dodávaj mi síly jenom loky alkoholu. Už to nejsem já, ztratil jsem sebe kontrolu. Chtěl bych zase utržet.
Tak jak se má?
To bych strašně moc rád.
Když jdu pít, tak to pak nejsem já.
A ne vždycky jsou moje texty fikce. Dělám co dikce, chovám se slizce. Ďáblova dikce, chci otravit se. To, že to nedělám rád, působí jak kontradikce. Vím, že kolem mojí duše se stahují stíny. Když při návratu domů ze mě smrděj cizí klíny. Těžko lehá se mi, cítím ze sebe tu špínu. Vždycky, když chytnu slinu, následuje pocit viny. Nenávidím sebe, nenávidím svoje činy. Dělám to, co nechci, já jsem plnej prašiviny. Smejvám to ze sebe, konzumací lihoviny. Proto posledních pár let jsou jen v řadě kocoviny. Čas plyne, jak lesnul jsem až do spod. Řekl stop, přestal chodit do hospod. Pak přišel bod, kdy jsem si dal odchod. A navždy s ďáblem rozvázal jsem v obchod. Často mě na beatu posloucháš prasárny hlásat. Ale ve svým soukromí se držím morálních zásad. Proto mě to drásá, když čupka tak nechová se. Pak se tak nechovám já a před sebou musím kácet. Nemusím už bát se, že to na mě někdo ví. A i když to bylo zlý, teď mám čistý svědomí. Po dlouhý temný noci se vždycky rozední. A tenhle skurvený track je moje slovo poslední.
Tak jak se má?
To bych strašně moc rád.
Když jdu pít, tak to pak nejsem já.
Kurevsky nenávidím stav, ve kterém se nachází dnešní společnost. Čuráci se mají dobře, ale stěžou si na píčoviny. Všichni se chovají jak pusty, vole. Ale měl bych jeden recept, kurva. Potřebujem další válku, jsme kompletně bez morálky. Naleju ti krev do šálku, nebudeš se koukat z dálky. Potřebujete vidět, umírat vaše mámy. Na krvácející rány přikládat chuvalce slámy. V dnešní době lidi nemají žádný hodnoty. Řeší se, kdo hulí kokoty a Zemanovi pomoty. Potřebuji zjistit, jaká je hodnota života. Šti rodinu roztrhá, bomba schozená od pilota. Všichni dnešní kluci jsou jako z porcelánu. Pošlu tě natočit vlog na tvůj kanál do Iránu. Nebudeš si po ránu nakoupit potraviny, protože jsou všude těla, který roztrhali miny. Nenávidím plejtvání jídlem, ty youtubere. Když te vidím se polejvat pudinkem, mě to sere. Budeš na to vzpomínat s prostřeleným chodidlem, až si budeš v krytu mazat chleba lepidlem. Vlevo bok, pochodem vchod, držu a krok. Potřebujem další válku. Vlevo bok, pochodem vchod, držu a krok. Máme na kohánku. Potřebujem další válku, restartovat planetu, zdevastovat baráky při komercovým náletu. Stejně tyhle čuráky zajímá jenom majetek. Válka ti se bere všechno, udělá z tebe dobytek. Nebo půjdeš do kytek, do plynový komory. S tebou v řadě stojí soused vedle z obory. Je úplně jedno, že jsi měl víc peněz než on. Teďka opasem se te úplně stejně seš v tom. Potřebujem další válku, aby vyndal hlavu z prdele. Nebo aby ti tam zašel novodobej mengele. Chci, aby si zažil, jak pijou kámoše. Granát připraví o půlku hrudního koše. Chci, aby si viděl, že máme uvnitř to samý. Až bager tvoje tělo nahrne do velký jámy. Budeš se muset v mrzáka bez majetku proměnit, aby si mohl pořádně to, co si měl ocenit. Vlevo bok, pochodem vchod,
Damn, 8 people, what the fuck? Yo, what the fuck? Ah, bro, how the fuck did... there's gonna be some... Nah, bro, there can be 8 people on the stream. Bro. Okay. Nah, yeah. There's not 8 people. Shit. It's crazy. You guys think, should we start sooner today? As I want to make a video later today. So, you guys think, should we start sooner? Oh yeah. What do you guys think? Should we start sooner today? Or you guys think should we like wait until 8 PM as no, I have it planned like that, but like should we start sooner, or do you guys think like 8 we should actually wait until 8 PM? Just waiting for a response from chat, that's crazy. Yo, so yeah, guys, I mean, it's crazy that 6 people are watching the stream starting thing. I don't know if y'all can hear me. I think y'all can hear me, though I'm not sure. Hold on. Either way, be fine. Yeah, oh, you can. You should be able to hear. Guys, so yes, should we start now, or do you guys think, like, what do you guys think? Start now. Alright, today. Alright, we're gonna start earlier. I just do the simple thing. So, just go and start earlier today. So, yeah. Should be fine here now. So, yes. Should we start now, or do you guys think mute this so I see the chat? Yeah, I know. And now there's only 3 people watching. Great. That's interesting. Every time I'm waiting for the stream to start, there's like 10 people, but when I start the stream and everyone hears my voice, they just instantly announce the stream. So yeah. Let me do that real quick and then we can start. Okay, so first of all, I would like to talk about Pirate's beautiful response to my video where I cried this thing. Alright. As that's fucking hilarious. Holy fuck. So, as most of you guys know, I have, well, you mostly have found me through that. I have made a video showing how easily Pirate Software is cracked. Now, guess what happened? Pirate Software actually responded to it, right? As you can see here, that he actually saw the clip. But, what is the issue, right? What is the issue here is, the issue here is that Pirate Software fucking lied. Yeah, yeah. He fucking lied. Yeah, we would have found. Let's see the clip, shall we? So, I can't show the clip because I don't have it. I'm still waiting for someone to send it to me because I can't have it. But here's a clip showing that I'm banned from his shit. So we're gonna have to there as a random person that told me that, you know, but here's the clip showing that I'm banned. Yep, I'm banned.
Second best gas station after Buc-ee's?
GG.
Buc-ee's is the best.
Basically, when you're banned on YouTube, what does it do? It hides your messages. So you can see it, but no one else can. And I tried to send a dono, and it fails. So that's how I know for sure that I'm banned, because dono failed. That doesn't happen when you're not banned. So yeah, here, wait, let me show you.
I used to live in California.
I tried to send dono.
Is Jin like lying about that? Or like,
I'm gonna tell you this right now. That shit is mid. The
Make sure you...
Shit is mid, dude.
Why?
It is.
Yeah, you can see that I'm banned, kinda. I can't really... The clip is not great. But when I try to send the money, it just doesn't work, right? So, that's the proof there. It's not great. But yeah, when I try to go to his stream, let's say, go to the stream, right? He's just streaming right now, which is great, stupid. Yeah, I know, I expected that too, but bro, if you say someone's lying and then ban them, that makes you look even more fucking, bro, like, that's stupid. If you say someone's lying and then ban them, then, well, that makes you look like you're a liar, doesn't it? So let me show you the fucking, I love how many videos about this are here. Either way, I'm gonna make a video obviously about his dumbass, because holy fuck, he could have approached this literally like way better. Like there's 1000 ways he could have approached this and he chose the worst one. If you do this, guess what it does? Enable to send a message, right? So I'm banned, right? So he could have, I don't know, maybe took my point, he could have maybe looked at my video, seen how I've corrected, and maybe, I don't know, just maybe, he could have improved the DRM so it's not crackable like that. But no, instead of that, he fucking banned me, said that it's a lie, and fucked off. Dude, like, how does that even, like, work, bro? Like, so, logically, like, that's the stupidest fucking thing that he could have done. Like, just, that's stupid. Like, I have only one example where someone actually got criticized and actually handled it properly, right? But here we can see that he didn't handle it properly at all. Someone shows him my video, he bans me, and says I was lying. Now, yeah, that's just a horrible way to handle it. So obviously there's gonna be a video about that, because it's fucking retarded. The clip I've showed you guys that, and yeah. So, I tweeted at him on Twitter, though I think he'll just block me on Twitter too. Because, yeah, you can see it closed here. Yeah, it's just that he banned me and he's a dumbass, but, like, the way he handled is just horrible. Yeah, dude. Dude, he's gonna fucking hack, he's gonna hacksaw me, because he's went hacksaw. Watch out for that one. Yeah, so basically he's a fucking retard, bro. Like, who the fuck does that, bro? Anyways, we also looked at this code. Now, for whatever reason, he embeds an image in a fucking script file. I've looked at it with a friend, but I can't really show it because I'm pretty sure he would copyright strike me. So because like based off this fucking thing, I'm not taking any chances. Either way, I'm gonna go and stream myself working on the game for you guys. So yeah, but the code is really bad, as you would expect it to be. Oh yeah, funny enough, I've actually bypassed it. Yeah, no shit. So so that proves again that he was lying. Let me get the Discord thing that, you know, showing the DRM again. Just grab it here on Discord. Someone showed me the DRM. I mean, hold on. Let me grab it and show you guys the DRM. Yeah, here it is. So let me copy this. Here is the DRM. Now, if you understand something about programming, you will realize that this is the most inefficient to write DRM. First of all, it doesn't work at all, right? So we get Steam name. Yeah, it checks for these. I love how he added Goldberg, how that wasn't a thing before. And then he checks for the Steam get user ID, right? So one thing he doesn't realize is most DRMs, fuck my bad, not DRMs, most Steam user bypasses don't actually even define it. So if he checked if it was null, yeah. Oh yeah, also fun. Yeah, also this is so very specific. Look at this. So if, right, sure. So yeah, also fun. So it checks for this one game. No, he doesn't check if it isn't his game ID. Oh yeah, hell yeah, got you. He doesn't check if it isn't his game ID. He checks if it is this game ID. Now that's fucking stupid. If you use even one of your brain cells, you realize that checking if it isn't the game ID of the game you own is way more efficient than this, and actually would maybe work. And this one's kind of, I don't know, I don't crack games that much, so I don't actually know what these ones do. But obviously, this one's horribly stupidly made. This one's just goofy. Because it checks specifically for these numbers. Specifically. Rest in peace, the Steam user that has this ID, bro. He won't be able to play the game. But, yeah, that's just
It's really readable, I think. Yeah, it checks the Steam, gets his person name, but as I've showed in the tutorial, you can literally change this to anything. So if you have, let's say, Steam ID 1234567, you can just change it to, let's say, 1, and it's not gonna detect it because yeah, because it's not checking for 1, it's checking only for these. It's stupid. Alright. So yeah, that's that, and yeah, he just lied about it, so that's great. I've asked the person that told me about him lying about the video to get the clip, so hopefully that person will get the clip. That'll be actually real nice. Anyways, let's go and run the game as in its current state. I didn't improve it much. I've only like cleaned the code a bit. I want to run it in CMake. Oh yeah, I'm not running the workspace. I need to open the workspace. Not bad, not bad. Here we go. So we're gonna be working on the game now. So let me just show you guys how far are we, right? Where we are. So if we compile the game right now, then you have the basic UI, right? I didn't change much. Let's optimize the code more, and that's about it. So, by the way, if anyone has any name suggestions, I would appreciate them a lot, because right now the top name suggestions, fuck, I can't speak for shit, are milked and nothing. So yeah. And by the way, Blake fucking suggested that, so that's just fucking great. Yeah. So if anyone has any stream suggestions, please fucking tell me, because holy fuck, that's fucking necessary for me. So I want the game to be called fucking Milked. I mean, yeah, it's fucking about finding your dad who fucking left you, but holy fuck, that's horrible. Like, alright, so what will be right now? So you have start game, exit game, alright. So let's first of all, let's fix the cursor disappearing when you click a button, alright, that's obvious. Heart pound. I mean, that would work if this game wasn't serious, which it is a joke game, I suppose, but, you know, I'm trying to make it for you guys, you know, it just... Holy fuck, I can't imagine the mods of this game. That's gonna be fucking... Let's fuck it up, small mods. Also, I want to showcase my epic debugging skills. I added a debug support. Yeah, you can debug the game if you run it specifically. So yeah, that's totally very useful. No, it's not like it only tells you like no. Welcome to the stream. Right, it tells you that the debug mode is on. Then when you click, like, for example, start game button, it crashes. I don't know, like, wait, what's up? Okay, did it actually fucking crash? No fucking way. Yeah, my mic, I have like a really horrible mic holder, so it's like weird, because like the mic is like supposed to be like, I mean, this is like the best I can do, I guess, but I can't really do much, really. Yeah, okay, this actually... Yeah, alright, this should work. Yeah, so this crashes the game, apparently. Alright, thanks for telling me. Yeah, so we gonna want to crash this, and then we want to go here. Render world. Yeah, so we... Now, why the fuck did it crash? Now, that's a great question, because I have no clue. So, since it didn't say anything, I'm guessing there's an issue here, but I'm not really sure, because... So now it works, but before it didn't. Alright, that's very interesting. Delete this one, because like the make file is made in such a way that when you press F5 from render, let's say, then it will make a file called render. It names it after a script you compile from, right? So yeah, I'm just using like a template. It's not great, but it works. I didn't work with raylib for a while now, so it got me set up pretty quickly. Anyway, somebody also showed what I've did. Alright, so we have like a config file here, which you can configure here your window size and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, and that's about it. Let's go to the textures and patch the textures thingy so it goes for this one. Graphics, yeah. Alright, should be good. Also, I really appreciate. Wait. I remember you from the last stream. I actually appreciate you coming by again. That's actually really sick. Alright, let's run it again. F5. Let's spam F5. Anyways, this works, so yeah. I'm not even sure what I've. Oh yeah, I've just changed the picture path. Alright, cool. So we gotta go to render UI, and we gotta go to. Where is it? Render cursor, I think. Yeah, render cursor. So when we do that, we just gotta. I mean, this will be very simple, right? But the issue is more like about. I mean, I can just fix this very easily. What am I even talking about? Where I'm fucking acting like fucking Pirate Software, fucking talking about like being like talking about like a easy issue in detail, bro. Like, bro, it's not that deep. It's not that deep. Damn. Should be good now. I want to set up the thingy here. Now we have the cursor, and it's not scene dependent. Now, obviously, there's a slight issue, but I can fix it pretty easily. Is that the cursor isn't centered. It's you can see the origin of the cursor is in the. I don't know if you're for real, but if you're for real, that's sad, and if you're not, then that's funny. Yeah, basically the origin point is in the left top corner, because that's how rendering kind of works. Everything goes from the left top corner. I actually don't know if that's true or not. I don't know how to react to that. But hey, if it's true, then yeah, then that's kind of sad. I don't know. I might just throw. Oh, God damn it! I might just throw the Discord link in description thingy out of the starting thing. Alright, should be good. So now we have this here. So now fuck. Alright, so our idea here is we have the locations, right? We have, let's say, where is it? Graphics. We have the home BMP, right? For example. How can I zoom out? God damn it. Alright, whatever. And, you know, basically it's gonna be like a click point game, right? You see a door, you can interact with it, go through it, right? It's pretty simple. I'm in Discord too. Oh, nice. Wait, what? Yeah, I will never guess which one you are, but I'm guessing you're Bean Overlord. Yeah, that's hard to guess. Either way, let's go and actually make the world render, even though that's pretty stupid and it's gonna be just a bunch of fucking switch cases. Because of how it's designed. I mean, it's not designed. I really don't know if that's a joke or not. But yeah, either way. So we have the render world, right? That has a 2D camera, and we want to just tear out texture, texture pro, then textures. Yeah, I should probably define texture then. Don't remember when where the textures are. I think it's in CPE though. Types maybe. Back home. Alright, so I can now call this home.bmp. So we should also do some designing stuff later, but I want to get the main thingy out of the way. So I might just call this home. Texture data. Or might be watching the stream on now, who knows? Let's find out. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You better delete that, or he'll contact you on Discord personally, bro. That's gonna be like really bad. Nah, Tor is cooked though, for real. Like that's crazy, bro. He fucking lied about the fact that the fucking video is, true, bro. Like that's fucking crazy, bro. Like, why would you lie about something that's. Nah, bro, it's like it just feels like watching like someone ruin their reputation on purpose. Like, why? Why is he doing that, bro? There's like 100 better ways to like react to something like that. Like, why? Like he's like obviously I'm aware of these like hold on. Like if you search pirate software right now, right? Then you'll see this. You want to, yeah, wild update, he's a loser, sad, yeah, versus, yeah. Right, obviously. But, there's just so many better ways to handle the stuff he's going through. Like, he doesn't have to fucking tell everyone, I don't know, fucking, like, when there's someone, like, that does something that he doesn't like, he doesn't have to, like, fucking lie about it. I need to I need to see that, but that's actually fucking stupid. Allegedly. Yeah, allegedly. Hey guys, I've actually allegedly killed 15 people. Just allegedly though. I would never. Fucking crazy shit. That's cool shit. Oh. Fucking hell. Yeah, so we just want to kinda compile this and it should work. Now obviously the camera, I don't know the offset right now. I think it's getting down on the world though. Hold on. Hacker on Blizzard, hell yeah. So stupid. Bro, this whole situation is just so stupid, bro. Like, why is he doing this? Like, is he stupid? I mean, yeah, he is, obviously, based on what he's doing, but, like, why? Why is he doing this? Bruh. Okay, it's not rendering anything, I'm pretty sure. Hacker on Blizzard, bro. Nah, bro, Blizzard found about to fucking fire his ass, bro. That's crazy. Yeah, so you want to... I'm pretty sure I know what's up. Hold on. Where is the main thing? Because we have a render UI thing, alright? But the issue here is I think there's no, there's not? Oh, okay. We have begin cam 2D. That's Hacker on Blizzard, bro. That's nah, bro. Why am I like the mic is just completely in the way because of how fucking shitty the holder is. Where is the render? I really need to like do some other sorting, but I can't really do it because of the compiler being stupid. So yeah, where is camera? Because I know it's here. All right, cool. So now we just gotta go to yeah, here to like init, and we want to go to looks good. All right, and that should work. I don't know if it's compiled. Yeah, dude. Like he's just like not even like, oh my, like, yeah, I've heard about this like past. It's like it's actually really hard to like miss it. Like people are, it's just public knowledge now. But like it's shady shit, alright. But like, damn, bro, like, yeah, like I sometimes like feel bad for him, but then you have to realize how big of a douche he is. That's just sad, bro. Like he could have been actually a nice guy if he wasn't such a douche, and just lied about everything, bro. Like, bro. Like, I guess he helped a lot of people. I guess with like, not really helped, right? Kind of like helped in design wise, but not really. He was a kind of, I guess, like helpful person, but not really. Like, it's just kind of just like kind of like a really weird person, because like as much as you feel about him, then you see him and then you realize how big of a douche he is. Like the shit he does is crazy, bro. Like lying about stuff that's obviously true, that's crazy, bro. Like, I mean, he's gonna realize one thing, and I think he's realizing it slowly but surely. People are not dumb, alright? Obviously, some people are dumb, but the majority is not dumb, right? So, yeah, he's gonna realize it, but I think it's gonna be too late for him. Also, did you notice that in his chat, the majority of his viewers are, the majority of his, like, people that are chatting, they're actually mods? It's crazy. I don't fucking understand that, but whatever. It's sad, though. My fucking headset just died, because... Hold on. Gotta check, gotta do something. Bro, someone walked in. Anyways, let's see. Cause sorry, the YouTuber scary is going. Yeah. Sorry. All right, I'm back. Someone walked into my room. All right. So basically, yeah, what I say, but like he kind of like, I mean, as much as you feel bad for him, you just like, as much as I want to feel bad for him, then I just like always. Hold on. How much? Can I wait? Hold on. Hold on. Basically, yeah, what I say. Okay, yeah, alright. So basically, as much as I feel bad for him, yeah, someone just like, walked into my room. So yeah, basically, as much as I fucking feel bad for him, right? I just gotta realize that he's not a good person. Like, he lies to people a lot. Which is, that's kind of obvious. But also, he's also the reason why, like, if you look at my video, right? The video, the one that most people found me through, it's actually crazy, but, right here. If you look at this, right, if you look somewhere, if you look at the comments, right, then there is a lot of people here just saying the same thing, right, and hating on me because of the Tor live stream. But not really specifically because of it, but, just overall. But just something like, I don't know how to sort it exactly because I'm kind of new, but I've responded to a lot of them. I try to like explain myself, but I've got to realize also the fact that if I keep responding and reading all these comments, like as much as that will be not nice, right? Because I never could have discovered you without him. Yeah, that's probably true. I mean, as much as that will be, as much as that, as much as not, responding to comments makes me look like a douche. It's just better to not do it, because then it makes me feel like shit reading the 10th comment saying fucking wrong game, bro. Like, I understand it, like, first time. That's why I have a pinned comment saying fucking this DRM can be bypassed like this on both of his games. Because there has been like 50 people said wrong game. I don't know. I don't know how to search it because I'm retarded. Literally. Again. You can see it. Just a lot of people tend to have the same argument, but it's like obvious. I understand it, alright. But the issue is that like reading something for the first time is, just the experience of reading something for the first time is different than reading it for the 10th time or 50th time. Even if you answer the question to one person, there's gonna be 9 other people that still have to have the question answered. And actually, there is a interesting amount of people that just don't read the pin and straight up tell you wrong game. Yeah. Again, this person, no hate. But yeah, just like it's kind of crazy though. So yeah, hold on, what are we on again? These are the render, the through. There are the texture pro. Yeah, I understand it. No, begin mode 2D and mode 2D. Let's just check the documentation on raylib because I really hate working with the cameras. Most of the time I just direct the screen buffer and then just offset it because I'm a dumbass. I know that's the worst method ever, but it works. Barely, but it does. Alright, let's just define this as the define that. So you want to go to main. You want to define a camera, right? So we're gonna just take this code which defines the camera. Alright, very cool. And we're gonna just take this. I'll say and just go and fuck. Camera. Right, doesn't matter. We can just say 0, 0. And then we're gonna do the simplest thing of them all, and that is camera. Because we actually are just starting to apply these settings here, so that's this config. So now it should be fine, but yeah. I really have to edit the make file though. Is there a dash output somewhere? There has to be dash output somewhere. Oh yeah, here it is. So I'm gonna change it to main. But I gotta do this one here. I don't like editing make files, but it's not that... Here we go, finally it's working. So yeah, we just had our make file config fucked up. But as you can see, we now have the room rendering completely fine. It's pretty cool though, considering like how new this library... I mean, it's not that new, it's like 12 years old. Damn, that's actually fucking old. But yeah, now what we want to do is we want to... You can also notice that, I don't know where you're from, right? But if you're from Czechia, or, you know, just like near Czechia, you live near Czechia and understand the Czech culture, this game is really similar to the ZNK series. Yeah, here, ZNK game. Is that early? Bruh. It's just like a point-and-click game. Huge satire, but it's really lovely. It's based on a movie made by the same person. Obviously, this is like a favors, you know. It's favors graphically, considering how well, you know, that game looks. But also you have to consider the fact that this is only a 16 color palette, and ZNK didn't have a limitation on that. So that's, you know, there's a difference there. But yeah. So what we want to do right now is we want to understand. Want to have like you know, like we want the game to render it when we hover on something that is interactable. We wanted to say like interact door when we hover on the door. You know, it's just like shit like that. Also, we want to get the debug option to actually do stuff. Like if the debug is on, which is right here, then we want to have like then want the game to actually render the chords of the cursor. Now I think that's, yeah, I think the person that has to clip into the server. Oh yeah, wait, he is, of course. Yeah, so the person from Discord that has a clip actually. So, yeah, here we go. I mean, even if the person sent me the clip, right? It's Twitch. For my comment. Okay. Cool. So let's go grab the fucking thing. So this is 1 hour ago, right? So we want to go here. I just got a message on Discord that when did it happen, right? He told me that it's right before his command. This command is 1 hour ago, approximately. So we're gonna go to Pirate Software since he's streaming on YouTube too. We're gonna grab that right there. I think, is he not streaming? Oh, he is. Okay. I'm gonna mute this because it's fucking lame ass. Whatever.
Be finished for Heartbound to be done. It is everything from Portugal, Portuguese, Japanese art. It is the room in the entire Clash.
That's fucking horribly boring stream, bro. I can't believe.
Is writing.
Yes, you have to.
Don't need to update the framework in any way. That's easy.
Damn.
Oh, here, I'm just gonna get rid of that. There we go. Mods missed that one. I got him.
Threat Locker? Why is there a Threat Locker ad? Dude, why is there a Threat Locker ad on his stream? What the fuck?
Japanese, Russian, deep dive. Toxic, yes. This is a rough estimation of the amount of work that is finished.
Bro, why is he still showing this graph? Can he like do something? Damn, bro. Like, he's a very how cool be even streaming, bro? Oh, I thought it's like extra lives. Yeah. Dude, hold on. I need to get my intern Blake here. Hold on. And my friend, it's just still gonna tell him a very cool job. Right. I have a job. Alright, let's give him the job of finding the fucking clip. We'll pay him in Steam gift cards. Though was said that there, no one said that they're actually not already used. So yeah. Either way, let's go back to. Well, I might just put him on the side because I don't need to know. No, I'll actually do it. Either way, so I might just go here and say. I might just go here and just do the render and set up the render UI, alright? And we're gonna go here. We have to check if data vars. Is there debug? Yeah, okay. If data vars debug, then there is debug mode, right? Oh. Yeah, I love the fucking AI fucking guessing everything I will fucking type. That's just the best thing ever. I fucking love it. I fucking love it, yeah. Either way, I need to grab the thing here, so we will. I don't need that. I just need to go here. Graph text. Go to 0, 0, 24. Right, and we need to define I mean we have the get mouse x. Oh fuck. Get mouse x. Right, plus get mouse. I know this is the best piece of code I ever wrote. It's so ugly, but whatever. Like, it's such a fucking stupid conversation I'm having with fucking Blake. Alright, whatever. Basically, we want to grab that here, and what is this? Oh, Oh, I have spare time right now. Okay, so Blake just doesn't have time, so I'll just have to go through it myself. To string. I know there's an std2 string, so I'll just use that. And then we just do C string. I guess that won't work because there is a Y here, so that is like really bad, and yeah, you don't want that because that's like really bad and that won't work because bad. And why the fuck doesn't work? Especially must be literal or it's coming. Oh wait, I'm a dumbass. What the fuck am I even saying? I can just do this. Hold on. I remember this from C. Very nice. Anyways. I. Hell yeah. And I want to throw this here. Maybe this will work. I'll probably not though. Throw in X, Y, get the mouse, X, get the mouse, Y. Very, very cool. Alright, you've got now we just need to do one very totally complex thing. String. What the fuck? Oh yeah, I just gotta go and oh. The argument of type int is compiled with the argument const carvel. What? I know you can convert std string, but the question here is hold on. Let's just set the variable, call it a, set it to this, and we should be good. Very, very useful, truly. Into basic character. Yeah, what a great use of. One optimized, I fucking hate it. Oh my god. I mean, it works barely, but like, it could be like way better. Like, just look at this. 8086. I mean, that's a great language. But it should work though. I mean, it looks horrible and it probably doesn't work, but let's. It should work. Let's see. Basically, we're just holding two buffers here and we're. But 8086 sounds sick though. Gonna compile. Won't even work. Bad. Well, doesn't work. Great. Well, there is the main file, so let's run it, I guess. Yeah. I don't even know what I did, so. Oh yeah, it's a debug thing here, right? So it's completely useless if I do this. So debug. Yeah, here we go. You have the buffers are empty. I mean, they're not defined. What? Fuck. I mean, what? I hate my life. Why can't I just like imagine if I just like did it like this? It's gonna be the most inefficient way to do this. If this works, then that's crazy, but I doubt it. What does it even mean? Be a literal or an unscoped type. I mean, yeah, I guess. Oh, I'm stupid. Yeah, I'm just stupid. Dude, yeah, fuck. Well, turns out C++ is just different than C, and I'm just a stupid dumbass. Alright, so we do... Right, std... I mean, that's just prints it, that's not, like, completely useless. Hmm. I'm pretty sure we got to, I'm pretty sure we have a better idea of what we're supposed to do now, so it's slightly better. So now we just have to get the, get mouse position, X, what's this? X plus, what does it even mean, dude? Like, get mouse position, Y, Y. I just, hold on. We have iOS, yeah, we do. Right, I'm just lazy, I might just ask ChatGPT at this point, what the fuck. Yeah, I know. Alright, that's so ugly. Don't tell me this is actually the right way to do it in C++. Please don't tell me this is the right way to do it in C++. Like, this is the ugliest way to do... Like, why? This, like... Why? Like, why do you have to two-string it, then plus, then again, then you... That's so stupid. Like, I understand it, but, like, that's just not great. Like, it's just bad. Like, hold on. Just define this, so... Project name is, because there's an issue here, so... Project name, yeah, 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 yeah. Then you gotta, what it does here somewhere, it tries to run the project name, but the issue is, it's kinda, you know, not it. And so, I'm just starting from the main file and I'm gonna take this, because I need to take this. It's fucking horrible though. Can't believe that this shit. I don't have a clue. No clue, bro. Ah, shit. Alright, let's see what... Oh yeah, it's the debug thing I forgot again. CD. Main exe debug. Yeah, now we've got the integers. Alright, I'm gonna take a piss because I need to. Kirby. Back. Alright, so go to make this. So we have got the rendering down. You've got debugging working, so you can actually like run the game in debug mode and it works. Now we should probably make a batch file that actually runs the game in debug because I'm too fucking lazy to execute this command every time because I'm such a retarded person. I don't think I have Vim though, so we will have to do it. Oh, we don't have him? Yeah, we don't have him. There is no way. So I'm gonna just do it like this. Main.exe dash debug. Alright, sick. So I'm gonna now do it pretty simply. There is yeah, here we go. So we will now just continue working on the game, right? So what we want to do right now is very simple. We want to actually define the hitboxes. So yeah, alright. So because well, if we don't do anything, then it's gonna be pretty bad and we won't get anywhere. So let's make UI element util that renders text on the mouse. Render mouse void render mouse text. No, render tool tip. It's more like kind of this. You want to yeah, you want to do this tooltip text, yeah, whatever. Basically, that's what you want. But the AI is too OP. I gotta actually. So when we hover over something, we just get it done. Because I don't want to deal with this. So first we don't need that rectangle. That's completely useless. I need the mouse plus, and I'm not doing any offsets, so I'm gonna be just doing this. And what font size you want? 24 probably. Yeah, alright. That's gonna be pretty good. So now we just want to run this, but we don't have any tooltips set up yet because of the fact that we don't have any hitboxes set up yet. So we want to define, we want to make a hitbox thing, right? Do you have a is button covered? Now we could make the whole hitbox system into a button, right? Because technically, if you look at Zanka, which is the main inspiration here, then the game system, the whole game, right? It's just buttons. It's just buttons. I can't may there be like a normal game, right? When you go here, you can click on the person, right? It's just a button that you can click on and then interact with him. You can click here to go left. You can click here to go right, right? Pretty simple, right? So we can do it with hitboxes, right? But we don't have any way to render the hitboxes, right? So we will have to make it so in debug mode, it will be rendering the button areas, so we actually can see the buttons. Now, so we're gonna do that pretty easily, because, yes, and let's do that. So where is the... Because these buttons are gonna be transparent, obviously, we don't want them to be visible. So we will just set it so here, where is the debug check? I'm not sure where the debug check is. No, let me check for debug. Yeah, right here is debug. So now we can see here that, but we will also go through here. We want to go. Ow, my fucking finger. Right, we want to go here. Take this. But that's just so. Alright, whatever. Let's do it like this. There are there are rectangle lines ex, right? And we want to for each the button I in I mean that's great and all, but this we don't have any buttons even defined, so that's just useless. You have to make like a scene button thingy, right? Alright, so in each scene you're gonna have these buttons, alright? So if you're in your home, if you're in, you know, just we have to like make it better. So yeah, like right now the whole game needs to be remade because of the enum map, right, home. Alright, so obviously there's nothing here, so we're gonna have to go here and go to utils probably, and then extern button, we're gonna do vector probably, include vector std vector button, right, get buttons, right, very cool, get buttons, and we also want, we have types, oh okay, map, right, and then we have that, so we just want to take this, take a picture, take a part of this, right, throw it here, delete this, throw this here, return this, right, and we want to return the list, but right now we just want to check what is the current scene. So if, right, we want to get the map current location set home. Alright, and we will extern that obviously, but we just need to right now extern map current location, and then we will just do get utils get buttons global var data vars current location, right, and then we will just go and there are all of them, you know, just basic stuff. But we need to go to textures and what the fuck? Oh yeah. We have to go and define that here. We can't just. Alright, so now that's better. So now we have that defined here, and we now need to actually grab a like not grab, but you have the utils thingy, we have the button thingy, right? We have to now we will have to switch case through. I know this is like a horrible way to do this. Like there is like 1,000 better ways to do this, because this is just right. Where's current location, and then we will have to data, and we will have to map home, and then return std vector button buffer, right? And that is pretty simple. So we just want to kinda like do that, and else we want to bro, let me fucking actually do what I want to do. Sure, whatever. You can have a logger here, bro. Logger fucking return. Great. And that should be it. Now here we just want to throw in some stuff into the buffer. Return buffer. Right. And then into the buffer we have to actually put in the locations, right? Because, well, you know, there's a reason now why I have actually thrown in debug tools and stuff like that. It's because I need to actually see the buffer and stuff. So we're gonna throw in the buffer, you know, the tooltip and stuff. We're gonna have to throw in there the tooltip everywhere and stuff like that. But we should be good now actually. So we're gonna do somewhere here is the render cursor, and on it we're gonna do render UI elements. Render button, render cursor. Oh, that's great. So that's not even defined. I have to fix that then. So we have to go here. There is somewhere here. It's gonna be render cursor, render tooltip. Right. Great. So now we will just gotta do this. Extern. There's nothing here. There are lines. I dot position I dot position x, I dot position y, I dot size dot x, I dot size dot y. Line tick like 8. I green. And you have to do very basic stuff here. Just gotta throw in a float here, and that fixes it, because funny. No reason, or you know, I don't know. It's just because the language really likes floats, so that's fucking, yeah, great reasoning. The reason. of the reasons. Anyways, so now we want to see what errors we have, because I love errors, and errors are great, and I love errors again. Now there are no errors here, so I don't know what's up here. Now there's error here. Texture pushback. Oh. Texture enum home. Texture underscore home. Return empty buffer. Alright, and that is it. Wow. Hand jump scare. That actually kinda got me. Yeah. Funny hand jump scare, get jump scared, haha. Alright, and that is it. Hand jump scare is crazy, dude. Anyways, let's find out why the fuck the hand are on my screen, bro, because that's crazy. Hold on. Render. Oh yeah, buffer measurement. That's actually fine though, no? Render. There's debug thingy, but I didn't run it debugged, so that's the issue there. Oh yeah, we have to go to render world to change the thing. Right, so if we now compile it and run it, preferably with debug. Now, guess what? We actually have the exit thing. Now, not only this doesn't work, but also in this 2-in-1 package. Holy fuck, this is horrible. Yeah, we'll have to get rid of that, because that is obviously not working. And also we'll have to we'll just have to fix the rendering there, because it looks really broken. I'm not sure why is that though. Oh, it is just because of this. Okay, well that's simple. Didn't expect that to be that simple though. Looked way more complex to fix than just that. Oh well. It's pretty cool, I guess. Where is the... Here it is. Welcome to the stream. So... Yeah, someone just joined and left. That tends to happen. What's up here?
He makes the...
That's funny. Where is the... I will check the stream, but right now I'm trying to... Welcome to the stream. Right now, so I've got this fixed, but I gotta define the button sizes and stuff to get the debug working. I should probably make something way better, way more simple, but better. Oh yeah, it won't work because obviously there are no buttons even defined here. Yeah. All right, we should get to it then. So if render, yeah. Main menu. Right, so we have to... Where is it? I can see it, bro, no way. There you are. Here's the debug thing. get buttons. Now, these are just, you know, just useless buttons that are defined. Oh no, I don't even know. Okay, that's scary. Oh no. I'm scared. I am so confused. Anyways. Oh well. So those are the positions. We gotta define a position here. So let's go and run with debug and grab the position here. So obviously we gotta map home, case, map home, define empty. If it's empty, then it shouldn't do anything. Great idea. Sadly, it doesn't work like that because fuck you. Push back. Yeah, sounds good. I really am fucking confused by that though. Welcome to the stream. There's 4 people now. That's actually kind of crazy. 3 people. Never mind. Never mind. Fuck. Alright, so that hitbox doesn't work for whatever reason, so we gotta fix that. I think that's a render issue though. So we gotta go and lines, render lines. Yeah, that's about right. Mouse position, but that should be on the debug thing. So. Oh yeah. Oh my bad. Hold on. It is by default like that. That's why it doesn't work. Because there is literally nothing defined here. So you have to define that. Yeah, dude, Pirate Soft. Yeah, a lot of people are here because of the Pirate Software video. But yeah, welcome to stream. Funnily enough, Pirate Software actually on his stream said that the video is fake. So I'm gonna find that clip and I'll just, you know, make a video on that because that's a huge ass lie. That's crazy. Oh yeah, welcome to stream. Where is the switch case? Where is utils? Here it is. Return nothing. Just return only. Right, so we gotta go and define main, which is right here. And we gotta define global vars. Here it is. Alright, we gotta define none. And then the buttons click, which is render. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah, that's actually interesting. A lot of people have been recently subscribing to me because of the video, but I really appreciate you checking me out because of online programming. That's actually kind of rare. But yeah. Alright, anyways, so what we gotta do now is we gotta go here and go to start game. Where is it? Here, if it's clicked, then we want to data and set the current location here. So it starts showing the debug. That's pretty sad. It's very, well, not great long term, but project is not that. Yeah, basically the video was about Pirate Software lying, but not about his DRM, and I just cracked it real quick. As you can see, it's broken ass. Thing is going now, so we're gonna note the chords because I'm a retard and I can't do anything better than this. That's 4 6. What is this? 5. God damn it. 5 7 2 6 2 7. Alright, those are our chords, position and size, obviously. Basic standard. And then we have to get our door here, which is, oh, it's still getting my thing here. So I need to just go here, Alt Tab, set this to bed, set this to 6 6 3 2 5 6. Bottom here. We gotta define this and say set to 882 603 the door, and then the sink, which should be 1034 414, and also 1241 530. Alright, so those are the hitboxes. So the system is very bad, but it works. It works. This game isn't gonna be that big, so it's gonna work probably. Utils. We do have to push all of these chords back, so you have to go and say 406. Alright, so we need to just set here 573. I should probably maybe wrap it in XML instead, but I think this is like the easiest, the fast method that I have right now on hand. Doesn't involve installing packages, so I don't remember the buttons struct. That's just colors, so alright, that should be fine, I guess. You don't really need to care about what's in the struct as long as you won't use it anyway, because yeah, you gotta just, you know. So I'm gonna just say here is bed, even though that's gonna be completely useless. It's gonna be like very different. I mean, yeah, he's just using he just don't understand his strategy yet. You know, like lying to his fans. I don't know, man. Maybe he's just using like not understood yet strategy. You know, his strategy is just so revolutionary. You know, I should also start lying to my fans, you know, to boost my subscriber count and get money. I think that would end up really well. Totally not like him. Anyways. Yeah, if he just don't understand him yet. He's just different. He's just smarter than us and different. Yeah, that's so stupid. Oh my god. Alright, let's go down it again. Yeah. Gotta run this. And as we can see, yeah, I don't know why I said XD, bro. God damn it. I don't know, like, kind of. This is so cooked. How is this? What? Oh, we have to get a difference. I'm stupid. Oh my god, I'm the stupidest person on this earth. Hold on. That's the size, alright? We have to get the difference. So that's 105 minus 572. Right, that's the difference. So we want to get the difference. So 572 minus 467. Hear me out. Yeah, this is not gonna work. This is horrible. This is so bad. I don't think this is working. Alright, whatever. 114, right? Whatever. The initial position there's minus the size. That's what we're looking for. Hold on. Gotta do that then. So we have 5 minus 105. Right, so this should be it then. But not really. I mean, that's hard to say because size minus initial position. Because it's offset by, it's not from 0, it is, we're calculating the offsets, which is stupid, but, x, y, yeah, the y is way different. X minus, oh my god, oh, 8, I mean, I don't want to know what to say about that, because, like, yeah, kind of, not really, because he actually is getting help with sprites, so he's kind of not really, you know, solo. Yeah, he's not doing the sprites, obviously he's not, because he's a fucking dumbass, he can't manage. Anyways, so yeah. I mean, the thing I hate about him most, I don't want to be, like, mean to him, because he's kind of, I guess, he's just kind of stupid, but like, the thing I hate about him the most is the fact that he can't just, like, admit he's wrong and then just, I don't know, like, apologize for his mistakes, kinda. Like, that'd be like, if he just apologized for his mistakes, I'm pretty sure a lot of people would, like, you know, just understood, you know, and kind of accepted it. But, you know, just like, the same thing with my video. I've made a video, right, about how I cracked this DRM. Motherfucker just denied me cracking it and banned me from his stream. I never bothered this stream, but I tried to after someone told me about it. And yeah, I was banned. Yeah. Yeah, but here we go, our positions. So this is a game I'm making for hitting 100 subs for you guys. It's inspired by Colonial. You're yeah, so here are our hitboxes, very beautiful. And now we just gotta do the tooltips. So you might want to define the don't really care about this. Kinda just want to get the home pet, sink, door. Anyways, so yeah, that's basically it. Alright, so now chat energy. Yeah, dude, Pirate Software could never. Yeah, we gotta figure out one thing though, alright here, cause we are returning the buffer, right? But we have to figure out like I could let me fuck. Hold on, let me just go to types. And we're gonna copy this. And instead of having text, it's gonna have an ID, right? Int ID, right? And we're gonna just, I don't know what. I've been programming since I was 7, so for like 12 years. Yeah. Yeah, no, 8 years, my bad. I'm a complete dumbass. No, it's since 8, so it's 9 years. 9 years. Yeah, it's gonna be 9 years. That's crazy, actually. But I've started with batch scripting. I don't know if that counts, but if it doesn't count, then it's I've been programming for 5 years. Hold on, I probably can get like an old video of me showcasing my old buyers. Hold on. I don't know. Hold on. Let me try to get my hands on it. Here it is. I found it, I think. No. Okay. Hold on. I'm tiring. All right, guys. Wait for it. Disk. Wait. 2022. 2020. Here it is. Hello. Okay. Let me show you guys an epic showcase of a virus that I've made when I was fucking diapers, right? Hold on, this audio quality is dog shit. Let me just make it quieter. Let me skip through it because my voice is the most annoying thing anyone's ever heard. Let's just go to this part where I actually run it. For GTA 5, guys, by the way, for GTA 5, I wouldn't want. I mean, that really depends. I don't know if you're still watching because there is only one person watching. But guessing that you're watching, I'm not sure if you're watching. I'm gonna just do it like really simple. It's like speaking to the computer. That's stupid. Holy fuck, that's really stupid. Yeah, it's like you're baking a cake. Programming is like baking a cake. It's like making a recipe, and then the computer just doing, yeah. But like, I understand that. But like, programming is like baking a cake, and then the computer bring the oven, and you have to like prepare a recipe for it to do, right? So basically, just if you made a recipe, right? That's programming basically, right? You're just doing it from scratch. There's actually a language here. It's a joke language. It's called Chef, I think. Yeah, here we go. It's a joke language where the programming language is designed to look like cooking recipes. But let me show you as how it looks. This is like Hello World in Chef. Yeah, that's like the best explanation I can give you. It's like making a cake. You're just making it from scratch, like you're designing it, right? I mean, it depends on what you're doing, obviously. If you're doing, I don't know, like Hello World, then it's not really designing, right? But just like this, you just kinda, it's just doing it from the ground up. You have to like design the thing and then just write the thing. It's just like, but writing the recipe is like cooking a cake. So yeah, it's kind of like it's pretty simple from that explanation, yeah. But it can be pretty complex. So yeah, it's basically just like cooking a cake. So yeah. Really. But move int ID here. This is a size, position. Oh, I see. ID2. ID2. Such a weird piece of. Oh no, I don't really do much Xerox, but yeah, it's just like baking a cake, kinda. I would say, like it's just like you have to design the whole thing, and But yeah, that's about it. There is the. Hold on. The fuck? Oh yeah, it's called a button. I need to change the name. Let's change it to clickable object. I know, what a great name, dude. That's fucking horrible. Right, clickable object. Get the clickable object out. Holy. So stupid. Yeah, alright, let's go to render, and we want to go to utils. Now utils, we're gonna change it so it takes in clickable objects. Alright, then we're gonna just make it so clickable object is a buffer. Hold on. And instead of this, we're gonna just do 1, 2. Holy fuck, I could improve this so much if I will just. I mean, maybe later. Right now the game is like, I don't need to do it right now, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna fuck me over if I won't improve it. Like, alright, whatever. Let's go and do it. So if we go to main and then try to compile it, so I see what the errors right now are. Alright, I see the errors here. Alright. Great. I don't know why utils get buttons. Yeah, but oh yeah, I see the issue. Type button expected. Conversion. What? Conversion. What? I'm so confused here. Get buttons. Wait, what's the issue now? Oh yeah, that's correct though. Permission denied. Yeah, okay, it's simple. Just gotta close the window. Then hardbound 2. Dude, I don't do assembly, at least not right now. I'm not doing assembly, so I thank God I don't have to deal with the registries, bro. I'm actually happy. Hardbound 2 never. Hopefully hardbound 1 either. Registries, I mean, I'm learning it on Linux, right? But you know, right now I'm happy that I'm doing it with C++, right? Because memory leaks in assembly have to be a fucking pain. Holy fuck. Rardo fucking has to be a pain, dude. Like if yeah. I want to learn assembly eventually though. So here they're having the debug things. Then we also want to check, like, when the thing is gonna be. We want to check. How do I say this? We want to check if it's colliding with the thing, and if so, we're gonna draw a tooltip. So we have to go to render tooltips. Now we have to go. This is where it's. Yeah, no, they're. Yes. Window macros. Wait, you mean Windows macros or window macros? Based, because I don't have a clue what he's saying. Same, dude. Yeah, I understand like what he's trying to say, right? Or like what he's saying, kinda, but I don't really understand it, right? So it's like kind of like guessing, because I have an assembly book, right? I read it once a time, right? Sometimes, but I don't do like Windows assembly or anything, because assembly on Windows has like a really stupid setup process and everything, right? So when I do assembly, it's on Linux, and when I do it on Linux, it's really basic stuff. So yeah, I prefer to do C if it has to be low end stuff. And if it has to be embedded, then C99. So yeah. Most of the time, I don't really do low end stuff though, so it's good. Life is good. I don't know low end stuff. Alright, I want to actually see how it's doing. Damn people actually. Yeah, dude, literally love words, bro. Just a kid that keeps on giving. Kind of expected someone to say that, but yeah, it's true though, sadly. Anyways. Clickable objects. Got to go to render world game. Architecture Pro. What's this? Alright. Switch case. Data. Bars. I know this is gonna be horrible. I know. No one has to tell me. I know. I'm aware. I'm very aware. Sadly, I won't be able to change it though, most likely, because there's a high chance that there is no real way to actually change it. So yeah, current location. You want to get the eye, and do you have a mouse cursor? I think so. Hold on. Can I? Oh yeah, I can. Great. Yeah. Wait, C is assembler. Oh, that's shit. Oh yeah, C is basically just an assembler. That's right. I know there is a micro C to assembler or tiny C. I don't know what's the difference, but I never actually. Wait. Yeah. Just look at this here, because you want to actually understand what this kind of does. I mean, I want to. I mean, I would say this is a function, but I'm pretty sure that this is awesome. It's hard to say. Oh. Alright, okay, now I understand it. It's you're getting you're reading the registers from assembly. Yeah. you're reading the register assembly registers in C, basically. So yeah, pretty sure. So hold on, let me just throw this here because I know that there's gonna be here. Just yeah, okay, at least I guess that it's not that bad. Good thing. Right, so you have to get yeah. I actually never fucking knew how to do that in C. I've actually like never figured out how to actually, you know, get fucking registers out of assembly into C. That's actually really cool. It's pretty good to know. Thank you. Okay, hold on. So we have the position here, then we want to check create rectangles. Yeah, you're reading offsets, I know. It's just memory reading, yeah, basic stuff. Yeah. Emulator, oh yes. Okay. Rectangle, button rect, whatever, and we're gonna go check rects because I'm stupid. There's a rects function, I forgot what it's called right now. It's actually really cool though, I would love to see that. Get rect. Check. Here it is. Wait, so you cannot crack the new, but you can patch CPU review memory. Okay, yeah, fair enough. Actually, I was like, yeah. At least I didn't think you cracked it, alright, but you know, one person cracking it would be like crazy. But yeah. I mean, you can always crack parts of software's HDR. And no one can do that. Hold on. Wait, we have to check that. Alright, so if it collides, check. Then the render tooltip, UI elements for Goldberg Simulator. That's actually really fucking cool. That actually sounds really fucking cool. Yeah, I got you. Sounds really cool. Shit. My don't worry about it. Rest. ID. Yeah. It actually can do that. That's actually so fucking cool. I actually know that someone has managed to emulate the DRM completely. No, not completely, but you know. Shoot the enum item IDs. Thing. Here it is. Okay. It's actually so fucking cool though. There's enum get names. I know this is a C# function, but I want to know what the enum name is. Stupid. Alright, so I'm just have to write the util then. You have utils here? Div type 0. Yeah, we do. This is x-axis. Alright, let's look at the... I think I got I think I still have this. Yeah, thank God. So this is the bed. Door. Sink. Alright, this is way better. Tooltip, string text. It's utils. Extern. std string. Get text. Include, yeah, I think I have it though. Object. ID to stir. Object IDs. ID. Cool. It's gonna be a switch case, very fucking ugly one, but whatever. Case, door, return, door, case sink, return sink, case bed, return, alright. To interact with the sink. Alright, it should do. Default would also not really be an issue here. Yeah, you want to just do utils ID space. Alright, nice. Now we have usually if I do vertices, we'll just do something with Vulkan because I'm lazy. Damn, bro, that's actually so cool that you can do Vulkan. That's actually like really fun. Vulkan's hard as shit. I can only do OpenGL and only with the raylib, so that's fucking ass. Thank you, thank you. Thanks for the support, man. Love you too. Yo, we have very epic tooltips. They do absolutely fucking nothing, but they're here. Yay. Alright, hold on, let me just throw in let me throw in make the tooltip be rendered on top of the fucking for real, where is the am I stupid? Yeah, I am, of course. It's crazy. And like, if you simple to use, it's just all code. I know. You know, the preparation is like the reason why I don't do it. It's just so, you know, it's just like I like the code to be readable and simple, you know, because like if I do like a issue that I don't have an error for, like at at one of the preps, then it's fucked up, you know. It's like, I mean, it's really good, and with my graphics card it will be really fucking fast too, because it's an AMD card. They work really well with Vulkan, but you know, it's just like if you fuck up with Vulkan, you're fucked. You just genuinely just not great. It's still bad. Oh yeah, I remember now why it doesn't work, because believe it or not, yeah, this thing is getting overlaid, so it's kind of bad. I should probably just be lazy and just grab the, hold on. I might probably end this here and just, I don't know, do something else, but right now I've actually did a decent amount of progress, so it's actually really cool. Dude, I wish raylib had layering. That would be like so fucking cool. Like. Yeah, it's crazy. You want to only render what you see or it fucking crashes, basically. Yeah, it's, I bet, dude. Okay. This is not good. Like, this is not good at all, because right here, like... Hold on, let me see something. So, we have a switch case here that checks for the... We could completely move this, obviously, but, I mean... Is it a good idea? I mean, moving this will fix the issue, right? But, it will make the code harder to keep track of. So basically, hold on, I have to think about this. So we have a UI which is supposed to be overlaid, but code for the cursor, if you put the cursor here, it's gonna be below the UI, and if you put this above the UI, then, well, it's not gonna work because it's gonna render over the UI, which is not good. So I might just grab this. Yeah, here we have the game, which is great, and I might just grab this, which is the part that we need, and I might just move it somewhere else. Because there is no way I'm dealing with this. So we need text to work here. Money to make this code way more readable. Why is this not working? Oh, we don't have utils. Put it through. Join the server, by the way, if you want to. In the description. It's here. Render. Yeah. I'll probably put it in another function and then slap it into the render. Right now, I'm just gonna make it work. Alright, let's go and make another extern void render UI overlay. Alright. Void render UI overlay. Boom. Should work now, no? I think. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we just need to throw this on top of the cursor here and then render UI overlay. And let's go. Yeah, should work. Way better. So that's that, I guess, for today. I'll probably bag it up. I'll put the fries in the bag, as I say. Yeah, and I know I must stream probably soon. Yeah, as, you know, it's still my vacation, I've just, you know, had time to stream. If I'll again have time to stream to like tomorrow or today, then I will do it. Well, no, just, we'll see. But yeah, it's just right now the state of the game. It's getting better, obviously, because, well, it's a game. That's just how game development works. Yeah, I might just bag it up. So I guess thanks for stopping by. Also, Snoop, dude, you're a very cool guy. Thanks for stopping by. Really cool having you here. Well, I guess I'll probably go and something else. Probably work on sprites and stuff. So yeah, see ya. Have a great night, day. I don't know, whatever. Alright. See ya.
Yeah, gotcha.